So we're going to create a natural daytime look for you now. She's already prepped with her foundation, her powder, and her concealer, so we're just going to move on to the eyeshadow. The first thing I like to do is take something very neutral, think like a champagne color, with just a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to cover her entire lid using a medium brush. Because I've already put eye primer on her eyelid, it's going on nice and smooth. Blending it all over from the lash line all the way up to the brow bone. And then with my finger, sometimes I just blend it out to make sure there's no excess powder hanging out. And now I'm going to take a medium tone brown color, and I'm just going to go right into her crease. Sometimes with Asian eyes, you don't really have a crease, so you draw one in. So I'm taking it from the outer corner, and I'm just pushing it right into the middle of her eyelid. Just keep layering the color until you're satisfied with the amount that you have. Remember, because this is natural, you don't have to do a lot of color. You just want to keep it kind of simple and create a little bit of a crease if you don't already have one. So that when your eye is open, it's just peeking out of the lid. Moving on to the other side. Keeping in line with the natural look that we're going for, I'm going to take a slanted eye brush and just use a shadow. Shadows are really a great way to keep your eye makeup natural. Dipping it into a brown, and then we're just going to line the entire eye. And then line the top as well. Close. Take a little bit of mascara. She already has some mascara on. I'm just going to kind of touch it up a little bit. Because it's so natural, we're going to give a little bit of pop and pink to both the cheeks and the lips. And then apply just a really nude gloss to her lips. So here's a really natural, easy look for you to do at home. Just remember, you want to keep the shadows really, really neutral. Line the eyes with a little bit of powder, and then just a tiny bit of blush and gloss, and you're ready to go.